Hi, today I am going to share, after I added MSSQL as my MCP servers in Claude, how I use it to help me analyze the usage of my app. Since it was launched last year, I want to know how many new users sign up recently, how many percentage are guest users, and what their engagement with the application is. Though I am using Firebase Analytics too, I want a customized report. So I added my production database in the MCP list. If you don't know how to add, please check my last video. Here are the settings in the .claude.json in the project folder. I have two MCP servers for MSSQL, one for my local and one for production database. First, I ran the /mcp command to make sure the database server is in the list. Then I asked Claude, "Can you query the grocery production database?" It replied, "I can query the grocery production database. Let me first explore what tables are available." I asked Claude, "How many users were created in the last 60 days and how many are guest users?" It ran the query and showed me the results. I want to know if they have any interactions with the app and what the numbers look like. I asked Claude, "Show me for these newly created users how many groceries are in their user grocery list and if they have any shopping items in the shopping list." None of the new users have added any groceries or shopping list items. This suggests low engagement from recent signups. I asked more following questions on how the user interacts with the applications. It suggested that I can compare the user retention and engagement in different time periods. It also gave me insights after getting the query results. Then I asked Claude, "I want to get a report like this to see the momentum of the app. How do I achieve that?" Claude generated the report query and ran the query against the production server and got a report like this. It also suggested how to get the report regularly. To make the command reusable, I told Claude, "I want to create a store procedure." Claude generated the query of the store procedure for me. I created the store procedure and granted the MSSQL user permission to execute the store procedure. Claude can execute the store procedure, but can't get the result returned. Then we retreated to writing the query in the Claude command. Claude suggested creating command rather than skill for this report, so I asked it to compare the two options. Actually, command is that I can run it like a function, very specific. And skill is that I can ask Claude using natural language to generate the report for last 6 months. I adopted its suggestion and used command. Claude created the commands for me. It adds the grocery-momentum-report.md. Launch the command like this, /grocery-momentum-report. And then I got the report. It provides me with the numbers and also the insights. This is just an example of how Claude can help us query the database. As a precaution, we should always review the query and double-check the results. That said, it does save me time writing queries when I'm curious about the data. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.